Students, in this video, I will do question number 23 of exercise 6.3. It is very important question. Question is, prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angle if 8k square is equal to 1. So what we will do? First of all, we will find out point of intersection of number 1 and number 2. So let us do one thing. Substitute 1 in 2. So if you substitute 1 in 2, we will get y square into y is equal to k. X is y square, put it here. 1y is here. So y square into y is equal to k implies y cube is equal to k. Now we need y, so we have to find cube root of taking cube root both sides. Only then 3 will cancel out. So what we will get? Y raised to power 3 whole raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to k raised to power 1 by 3. This 3 and this 3 will cancel, and from here we will get y is equal to k raised to power 1 by 3. Now this value of y we will put in 1. Put y is equal to k raised to power 1 by 3 in 1. So we will get x is equal to y is k raised to power 1 by 3 whole raised to power 2 will become k raised to power 2 by 3. Now we have got the point of intersection. Now we can write, thus the two curves intersect. Thus 1 and 2 intersect at P. X coordinate is k raised to power 2 by 3 and y coordinate is k raised to power 1 by 3. So this is the point of intersection. Now we will have to differentiate 1 and 2. Differentiate 1 and 2 with respect to x. If you differentiate it, derivative of x is 1, derivative of y square will be 2y into dy by dx. This implies we have to find dy by dx. This 2y will go in the denominator and we will get 1 upon 2y. Now differentiate number 2. Here it is product of two functions, so we will have to apply product rule. So we will get first function derivative of second plus second derivative of x is 1. Right hand side is k, derivative of k is 0. This implies x dy by dx is equal to y to the other side, so minus y, implies dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. Now what we will do? We will find slope of the tangent to 1 and 2 at this point P. So slope of tangent to 1 and 2 at P is, so far first dy by dx at P is k raised to power 2 by 3 into k raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to, from first equation we have got dy by dx, let it be number 3 and let it be number 4, number 3 and number 4. So it will be equal to 1 upon 2y, and y is k raised to power 1 by 3. So it is dy by dx for first. Now dy by dx at k 2 by 3 and k 1 by 3 for this number 4 is minus y k raised to power 1 by 3 upon x. X is k raised to power 2 by 3. So these are the slopes of the tangents to these two curves. Now question is, the two curves intersect each other at right angle. Now what is the perpendicularity condition? Two curves will intersect each other at right angle when the product of their slopes is a minus 1. That is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So we will apply that condition. So what we will get? Curves 1 and 2 cut each other at right angle at P if m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 implies first slope is this, that is 1 by 2 k raised to power 1 by 3 into second slope is this, minus we have outside k raised to power 1 by 3 upon k raised to power 2 by 3. Product of these slopes is minus 1. This left hand side is negative, right hand side is also negative. Negative sign and negative sign will cancel, and base and this numerator and the denominator is same. So when base is same, powers will add. So when you will take it to the numerator, it will become negative. This implies 1 upon 2 k raised to power 1 by 3 into, or let us take it to the denominator. Negative sign and negative I have cancelled. So 1 upon k raised to power 2 by 3. Whenever you take power from numerator to denominator or from denominator to numerator, its sign changes and it is equal to 1. This negative sign I have cancelled. This implies 1 upon 2 k raised to power 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 will be again 1 by 3. K raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Now again bases are same, powers will add. So we will get from here 1 upon 2 k raised to power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. If you cross multiply, we will get 2 k raised to power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. So when you will cross multiply, you will get 2 k raised to power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Now I have to eliminate this 1 by 3. So what we will do? We will cube both sides. So we will get 2 k raised to power 2 by 3 whole raised to power 3 is equal to 1 cube as well. So 2 cube is 8 and k raised to power 2 by 3 into 3 is equal to 1 cube is 1. 3 and 3 will cancel and we will get 8 k square is equal to 1. This is what we have to prove, that the two curves cut orthogonally or at right angle if 8k square is equal to 1. So thank you.